Welcome back to our channel. Whether you're capturing life's unforgettable moments, expanding your smartphone storage, or enhancing your gaming performance, the right micro SD card makes all the difference. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 best micro SD cards of 2025 that deliver incredible value, speed, and reliability. Let's dive right in. I've got links down below in the description for you to grab yours today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Kicking off our list is the Amazon Basics Micro SD XC, the ultimate budget-friendly option. This card might be light on your wallet, but it doesn't compromise on performance. With up to 100 megabytes per second read speeds and Class 10 certification, it's perfect for everyday storage needs like apps, photos, and HD videos. The Amazon Basics Micro SD XC memory card with full-size adapter is a versatile and budget-friendly option designed to meet the needs of a wide range of devices. Here's an overview of its key features. This card is compatible with a variety of devices, including smartphones and tablets, cameras, DSLRs and action cameras like GoPro, laptops and desktop computers, drones and portable consoles like the Nintendo Switch. It comes with an SD adapter, making it easier to use across devices that require a full-size SD card. Ideal for high-resolution photos, full HD, and 4K video recording and storage. Works well for data transfer and storage needs, offering reliable performance. Up to 100 megabytes per second for quick data access. Up to 60 megabytes per second. Certified for UHS, U3, Class 10, and A2 speed classes, ensuring an optimal experience, especially for smartphone users. Engineered to withstand tough conditions, it is shockproof, IPX6 waterproof, operates between -10 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, X-ray proof, and magnetic proof. This durability makes it a dependable option for outdoor adventures or professional use in challenging environments. The SanDisk 256GB Extreme Micro SD XC UHSI memory card is a high-performance storage solution designed for professionals and enthusiasts. Its advanced features make it ideal for demanding tasks like 4K and 5K video recording, high-speed photography, and intensive app usage. Next up, we have the SanDisk Extreme Micro, renowned for its incredible value. It boasts 160 megabytes per second read speeds and 90 megabytes per second write speeds, making it a top contender for 4K UHD recording, especially for action cameras. The SanDisk 256GB Extreme Micro SD XC UHSI memory card is a high-performance storage solution designed for professionals and enthusiasts. Its advanced features make it ideal for demanding tasks like 4K and 5K video recording, high-speed photography, and intensive app usage. Up to 190 megabytes per second powered by SanDisk QuickFlow technology, enabling rapid file transfers and efficient workflow. Up to 130 megabytes per second, perfect for fast, continuous shooting and video recording. Supports UHS Speed Class 3 and Video Speed Class 30, ensuring smooth, real-time video recording in Full HD, 4K, and 5K UHD. Designed for compatibility with modern cameras, drones, and video devices. Rated A2, delivering 4,000 read IOPS and 2,000 write IOPS for faster app loading and seamless in-app performance on smartphones and tablets. Works with a variety of host devices, including microSDHC, microSDXC, and UHSI-compatible devices. Pairs seamlessly with the SanDisk Professional ProReader SD and microSD to achieve peak performance. Offers 256 gigabytes of storage, enough for thousands of photos, hours of UHD video, and extensive app libraries. Built with SanDisk's trusted durability standards, ensuring reliable performance in various conditions. The SanDisk 256GB Extreme Micro SD XC is a top-tier choice for anyone needing fast, reliable, and versatile storage. Its combination of speed, capacity, and advanced features makes it perfect for creative professionals and tech enthusiasts. In third place is the Samsung Pro Plus, the premium choice for professionals and enthusiasts. With read speeds up to 180 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 130 megabytes per second, It's designed to handle intensive tasks like RAW photography and 8K video recording. The Samsung Pro Plus microSD memory card is a top-tier storage solution tailored for users who demand exceptional speed, reliability, and capacity. Its advanced technology and durability make it perfect for high-performance tasks across multiple devices. Designed to capture seamless 4K UHD videos on devices like smartphones, drones, and action cameras. UHSI V30 rated speed and Class 10 performance ensures smooth recording and playback. Burst photography is effortless with read/write speeds up to 180/130 MB/s, enabling faster photo captures and data transfers. Available in capacities of 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB, offering plenty of room for high-resolution photos, lengthy 4K video clips, apps, games, and media files. Perfect for tablets, gaming devices, Android smartphones, and drones like DJI, engineered to endure life's toughest adventures. This card offers waterproof protection, resilience against extreme temperatures, X-ray and magnetic resistance for safety during travel, drop and wear-out protection for reliable long-term use. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty for peace of mind, built by Samsung, the world's #1 brand for flash memory since 2003. All firmware and components are manufactured in-house, ensuring top-notch quality and performance. The Samsung Pro Plus microSD memory card delivers a perfect blend of speed, reliability, and storage space. Whether you're a professional creator or an avid gamer, this card ensures smooth performance and peace of mind, backed by Samsung's renowned reliability and warranty. Coming in at number 2 is the SanDisk Extreme Pro, the card trusted by professionals worldwide. It offers blazing fast 200 megabytes per second read speeds and 140 megabytes per second write speeds, ideal for capturing burst mode photos and seamless 4K video recording. The SanDisk 128 GB Extreme Pro SDXC UHSI memory card is a high-performance SD card designed for professionals and enthusiasts who require speed, capacity, and reliability for demanding tasks like 4K UHD video recording and burst photography. Up to 200 megabytes per second, powered by SanDisk QuickFlow technology, enabling faster offloading of large files. Up to 90 megabytes per second, ideal for fast sequential photo captures and video recordings, supports UHS Speed Class 3 and Video Speed Class 30 for seamless 4K UHD and full HD video recording, perfect for capturing high-speed burst shots and photography, engineered for durability. The Extreme Pro SDXC card is built to withstand temperature fluctuations, shock, and X-ray exposure. Extended wear and tear from professional usage, works with a wide range of devices, including cameras, camcorders, and other SDXC-compatible hardware. Pair with the SanDisk Professional Pro Reader SD and microSD to achieve maximum performance. 128 GB provides ample space for thousands of high-resolution photos and hours of 4K UHD video. The SanDisk 128 GB Extreme Pro SDXC UHSI memory card delivers professional-grade performance, making it an excellent choice for creators who demand speed, reliability, and capacity in a compact solution. And finally, taking the top spot is the Kingston Canvas Go Plus. This card combines speed, durability, and affordability, making it the best overall microSD card for 2025. With 170 megabytes per second read speeds and 90 megabytes per second write speeds, it's perfect for content creators, photographers, and gamers alike. The Kingston 256 GB Canvas Go Plus microSDXC card is a high-performance storage solution tailored for professionals and enthusiasts who need speed, durability, and reliability for capturing and transferring high-quality content at up to 170 megabytes per second, allowing quick offloading of large files. Perfect for recording and transferring full HD and 4K UHD content. Rated with UHS Speed Class 3 and Video Speed Class 30 for seamless 4K UHD video recording. Ideal for use with action cameras, drones, and other high-speed recording devices. Supports the A2 rating, ensuring faster app performance and smoother workflows for mobile applications and multitasking. Tested and certified to be waterproof, Temperature-proof. Shock and vibration-proof. X-ray-proof for peace of mind during travel. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including tablets, smartphones, cameras, drones, and more. Includes a convenient adapter for use with devices requiring standard SD cards. The Kingston 256GB Canvas Go Plus microSD XE card combines speed, capacity, and durability, making it the perfect choice for creators, adventurers, and anyone needing a dependable storage solution. Its V30 video speed class ensures smooth 4K recording, and the rugged design means it can handle whatever you throw at it. The Kingston Canvas Go Plus truly delivers the perfect balance of performance and price. And there you have it, the top 5 best microSD cards of 2025. Whether you're on a budget or need professional-grade performance, there's a perfect option for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more top tech picks, and let us know your favorite micro SD card in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.